Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you something that you might be interested of. So this is the all new Jockey Stride. So we're going to unbox it, but you might notice what's special in this unboxing. So actually this is from the India Steps Challenge. Hashtag Ab Chalega India. This has been sponsored by Network 18 and in partnership with Network 18, and they have produced this challenge and I've participated in it. And for my steps, I have redeemed the points and I finally got this. So without wastage of any time, let's unbox it and let's see what it is. And I'm Sampath and you're watching Sam World. So what's the wait for? Let's start. So here we see, my friends, is the Jockey Stride, and here I've earned this from the India Steps Challenge, so it's a little bit special for me, and just with partnership with Network 18. So I've got some steps and I have got some points for it, and then I redeemed it and I got this Jockey Stride. So that's how it is. Let's remove the label, and when we remove the label over here, we see that it's we keep it for the shoe. And here we have is a health tracker, Karma Jockey Cash, and tracks activity. It's a black color variant and it's subscription for 3 months, and we get it for 1200 rupees. So that's how it is. The actual price 1200, but I got it for 100 rupees for delivery charge. And it tracks activity and steps and up to 180 days of battery life with a replaceable coin battery. That sounds good. So without wastage of any time, let's open the pack and let's see what's inside. Cut open the seal and it's like a magnet thing sort of, and when we remove this top lid, we find these contents. First one is the hashtag Be The Force activation code, which Jockey's activation code, and this is the replaceable, this is the coin battery that we are getting from them. And here we have is the main unit in the small box, and this is the user manual thing. They have given some papers. Anyways, I don't think it serves me any purpose, so let's keep this thing aside. Here we have the user manual, how to use and all, and we got to keep it to your shoe like this, and then we got to connect it and you have to set it up by the app, and then we can use it. That's how it is, guys. So keep this thing aside. Now let's come to the main unit itself. It's a very small box indeed. Let's open the box and let's see what are there inside. So when we open the box and we see here is the Jockey Stride, it's seriously very small. So I'll keep the battery in it and let me show you how does it look and what are its inside features. Move the outer cover, and this is where you have to insert the battery in. So I've taken the battery and I've kept in this one, and this is the upper lid. You got to struggle a little bit because it's not so easy. You got to press a little harder so as to make the cover fit in perfectly. So that's how it fits in. A little bit hard, but it'll be fit properly. This is a guitar pick kind of thing, but this is used for taking out the stride from the case. So that case which is there, where you have to actually, that's the Jockey Stride, by the way, and this is the main unit where you have to keep it for your shoe. So the lace goes in from that one, and then when the lace goes from that, you got to keep this on the top, and then it fits in. So that's how it is, guys. Now let's move to the other part, that is the connecting to the app. Just install the Jockey Stride. So install an app called Jockey from the Play Store. It'll be available in iOS. Anyways, so coming to here, now click on the right side top icon and then click on the Jockey Stride. So when we click on the Jockey Stride and we have to set up, and I've inserted the battery. These are all the contents that it has in the box, so it shows these all shall be there. So it shows how to insert and all, but now let's keep the thing aside, and I've inserted the battery, and it says we have to turn on our Bluetooth as well as the location, as it says. Let's turn it on, and now let's start search. So it's searching for the device availability of Jockey Stride. As you see, it has got the MAC ID, MAC ID will be present on your box, and you want to cross check and then click on the confirm button, and then after confirming, and then it sets up. Oh, it's done, and it says to set our daily steps target. So there is a lot of options. That's minimum is 1000 and the maximum is 25,000. So let's keep the target to 5,000 steps. That's enough for me. So that's how it is. Click on the save button and then it's setting up the target. So it's very simple to use and not so even complicated. Now click on the right side top icon, and as you see, the battery is full, and if I click on the sync, it starts to sync the data. So after it has synced the data, now we got to do the activation code from Joki. So activation code is to upgrade our plan. So as they're given for free, now let's upgrade the plan. As you see, the subscription has expired. I was actually in a free trial, but we got to upgrade the plan right now. And when we swipe right another time, we get an activation code. So yes, I do have an activation code, and now let's enter the activation code and we'll be back. Now type the activation code and I click on the apply button, and it says wait for a little while, and as you see, Joki subscription has been upgraded. So let's see the details till when it is, and it's till 10th May 2020. So that's how it is, guys. So that's with the videos, guys. I hope you liked it, and this is the Joki Stride, a short and very small and simple design, and hashtag be the force from Joki. That's the official tagline. So I hope you like this video. If you like, then definitely hit the like button, and also don't forget to write your suggestions in the comment section below, and also don't forget to share the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then go ahead on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon to get notified about all my video updates. And thanks for watching.